What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, car videos. We all love American muscle cars. Fats is a big car enthusiast when it comes to American muscle. She loves them, and so do I. I like them a lot. Muscle Car Sounds and Exhaust compilation 2020. So a bit of a, what, about 7 years old?
Oh my gosh, yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, time flies.
Well, we'll say 6, because 2026 not finished.
Whatever it is. Before we get into it,
make sure you smash the subscribe and follow button. Hype up this video.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that
something from Thunderbirds.
1964 Corvette. Damn.
Chevrolet,
yeah.
wow.
Bassy. Plymouth GTX. Oh, I wish they revved all of them though. That would be nice. Ford Mustang, that is a classic.
Yeah.
I can hear that one.
Sounds like a chainsaw.
Yeah, that one does. The first one was bassy. Oh.
Dodge Charger.
Damn.
My brother loves Dodge Charger.
That is a beauty. Ooh. What is that? Oh, Shelby Cobra.
What the hell?
It's an old school one.
Wow.
That's crazy. Sounds nice.
Oh, that sounds really good.
That's how we like our cars sound.
Yeah.
Like raspy, like deep, bassy.
I can't lie, if we ever go to America, we need to drive an American car.
You have to experience it.
Like, we have to.
We have to.
Yeah.
Impala, if I'm saying that right.
Yeah, Impala.
Woo, that is nice.
Ooh, I like that green, I can't lie.
Damn, Mercury Cougar. That green is nice. That looks like a car from like GTA San Andreas. Like,
yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
100%. Oh, look at this truck. That's cool.
Damn.
Sounds good for a truck. I've never heard of that car.
Neither have I.
Shelby Cobra, another one. The first one sounded good.
They sound good, don't they?
They sound good.
Yeah, I love
Shelby
it.
Cobras are sounding, like it's coming from the chest. Some, so I don't like the tin can sound.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I like it like that. Dodge Demon, this sounds like it's going to be mad.
Well, it better sound like a demon.
I hope he revs it. He needs to rev it though. Nah, not bassy enough, man. Not bassy.
It didn't do it justice. I'm sorry.
It looked it, but
yeah,
it didn't walk it. Come
sounds like vroom.
Yeah, not bassy again. Sounds alright, but
I feel like this one's gonna sound good.
there we go, that's better.
Chevelle.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
That's giving like, don't come near me. I'll whoop your ass if you try to race me. Okay.
That's what I like.
Yeah.
I love that.
Same. It's that Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang.
Nice, yeah.
That's a very interesting shape.
That is. Looks like a spaceship.
It actually does.
1962 that was good. Wow. I wasn't even born.
Damn.
God damn.
Damn.
1962 and it sounded like that.
And it looks like a spaceship.
And look at the alloys, the wheels. Yeah.
you.
That's Bats's car.
Why not?
Ford Street Rod.
Is that a hot rod?
Got massive tyres. I like the sound of that. Road Runner.
That's gonna sound like a tin. I can tell.
Not bad. What's next? Malibu.
Oh.
That sounds like a baby, that one. Compared to the others. Come on, pickup truck, let's go.
That looks mean.
Yeah, for a truck, that looks mad.
If that truck was chasing me, I'd be scared.
This looks nice. Ford. Sounds good as well. Nova. Not bad.
Super B.
Super B. Oh, that sounds alright. That's a good note, that one.
Yeah. Ooh, Super B.
That one sounds nice.
GT500. I love.
You love this car, innit?
Yeah.
Sounding alright as well, yeah.
That's me.
Chef's kisses on that one. That was nice. Oh, had a bit of a pop in the exhaust, that one. Bel Air. What, does Will Smith drive this one?
Maybe. Oh, the exhaust on the side.
Exhaust. That's like the G-Wagon G63.
Yeah.
It's on this side. That is
Wow.
nice. That's banging. Shelby Cobra.
It's gonna sound
Old
good.
school. They sound good.
Listen, we used to drive one of those.
The exhaust note on that is different.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh!
Oh!
Bright yellow.
Okay.
F100. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that sound.
That's an interesting shape. It's big, isn't
Like
it?
a beetle.
It's a beetle.
Looks like a beetle, I said, like the
Yeah,
shape
it
of it.
does.
Oh, another one. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a street rod again. 1933. Oh my god, that is old. Wow.
It's nice for an old car, I can't lie.
You know what's mad? It's because it's just immaculate. Like, you could tell the paint
Yeah.
work. There's no swirl marks. You know, like these cars, they're like collector cars.
Yeah.
They made sure the way it's been polished. It's not going to no cheap car washes.
Yeah,
It's
it
got
looks like fresh.
the wheels are different. Like everything's just mint. Like these will cost so much. Shit. The exhaust made the mouse drop. What the hell? The
We
rev
felt the vibration.
came through the monitor. Super Sport. What's this? Yeah, that's the one. I love it. I love it.
I love the alloys on that one.
Yeah. Cadillac. That's the sound I don't like.
Yeah, I don't like
To
it
me,
either.
it just sounds like a tin can, I'll be
It
honest.
just sounds like it's been forced.
Yeah, like there's no
Yeah.
bass. It's missing hunger. Oh, look at the exhaust. What the hell? That is a mad exhaust setup.
Wow, look at that. Plymouth Prowler.
Growler. That's different. GT500, another one. 1967. Oh my.
I'll be in that car. See Yass walking on the side. Like, yo, sweet one. What are you saying? And you go blush like, okay.
Look what I've got to deal with, guys. Fats and her fantasies. Shelby Cobra 1965. Made in America. Nice, nice, nice. Camaro. Ooh. You know what though, I can tell as well, they're obviously revving the cars, but they're probably holding back on the revving because these are such classic cars.
Yeah.
They're not meant to be revving cars at all. It's bad for the car. So the fact that these are even giving little revs on a classic piece like these,
Yeah.
W content, because not a lot of places would do that. Especially old cars like that, you're revving them, you know. Oh, did you hear the pop?
Yeah. Woo. Wow.
That is nice.
Okay. That's really nice.
Don't sound good though.
Those Charger. Wow.
Snoop Dogg would own something like that.
Yeah.
The purple.
Sunliner.
Sunliner. I don't know. That is nice. Oh! This one's gonna pop and bang, 100%.
Let's see.
If he revs it. Not bad.
Oh.
A Dart! I've never heard of a Dodge Dart. Have you?
No. Sounds very loud.
Oh.
Le Mans.
What I want to say, big W to whoever is maintaining the paintwork of cars. Have you noticed there's no swirl marks?
Yeah.
Like, our car's covered in swirl marks.
So shiny.
Because we go to a normal car wash. You know, these, you got to know what you're doing. Like, you have to treat it properly, man. It's like mirror effect. They call it mirror.
It looks nice.
You can see the reflection of the sky properly. It's so clear. Monte Carlo. Oh, that's nice.
I like that colour.
Yeah, the colour is unique.
It's purple. I think I would have a purple car.
Yeah, it will suit you. Oh my god, this one's like popping without even revving it.
Rum, rum!
American muscle cars. Fats, what was your thoughts on the revs, the colours, the designs, the classic cars?
I feel like they were very pretty cars. Like, if you look at the design back in the day compared to now, I feel like, and I'm talking about like European cars. I don't know how current American cars look like, but there's so much design, so much color. Now everything's just looking like, do you understand what I'm trying to say? It's just looking like sleek. I don't know. I feel like there was more fashion back in the days.
Those cars look like they were designed with more purpose and more like heart. There's more art. Nowadays, the modern European cars look like they're just kind of putting like
Like,
great
they're
tech
nice,
together.
but I feel like those cars we saw, they look like artwork. That's the word I want to use.
Artwork.
They look like artwork.
It's different like that.
Like, I want to put it on display.
Yeah. That's what, and they look like collector cars, I'll be honest. They don't
Yeah.
look like cars you'll see on the street.
Yeah.
Guys, hope you enjoyed that video. We are back tomorrow. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We're doing daily content, daily uploads. Comment below what you want us to see next, and we'll try and make it happen. Peace out.
Bye.